Hello everyone. Today on the bench we've got the new PlayStation 5 Slim, model number CFI-2116. The customer reports that there's no signal going to the TV, even after trying a few different HDMI cables. So in this video I'm going to replace the HDMI port and see if that fixes the issue. Now, Sony really loves using a lot of screws in their consoles. Sometimes it feels like they enjoy screwing these things together almost as much as they enjoy doing it to their customers. For these ones I'm using a Torx T8 screwdriver to remove them. I'll be using my rework station to replace the HDMI port. It's been a great machine over the years, and these days it makes jobs like replacing HDMI ports on modern consoles much easier. It's mostly a hands-free process, and the station has programmable heat profiles, so you can control the temperature properly and avoid overheating or underheating the board. Let's get it onto the rework station and swap out the HDMI port. This process takes roughly 4 minutes, which allows the board to heat up evenly so the port can be removed safely. As you can see in the top right corner, I like to tin the new port with a little solder first. In most cases this means no extra soldering is needed once the port is installed, and it keeps the job nice and clean. I'll allow the port to heat up a little, so the solder bonds securely to the board. The profile set here won't melt the port. It produces just the right temperature to carry out this type of repair correctly. After that I inspect the pins under a microscope. As you can see, the pins are fixed on nicely and the bottom anchor legs are secure as well. I then give the area a good clean to remove any leftover flux. I also flip the board over to check that the legs are nice and secure. They look great, perfectly soldered in place. This model also features an improved liquid metal thermal design, which helps prevent leakage and improves long-term cooling reliability. This is the E.D.E.A.N.S motherboard model. Okay, let's get it put back together and run a signal test. Have you noticed what's missing yet? Yes, the heat pipe on this model. It simply pulls off and can be reseated, unlike the older model where it was welded in place. This is the CFI-2116 revision of the PlayStation 5, and compared to the older model, the changes are clear. Sony has refined the internal layout, adjusted the cooling design, and reduced material use for a slimmer, lighter build. Not only that, they've replaced the gloss front with a matte finish for a cleaner look. While performance remains the same, these revisions focus on efficiency, manufacturing improvements, and a more compact form factor. Now it's all back together, let's give it a quick clean with a little polish and run a test to see if that solved the no signal fault. Awesome, signal's live, and hopefully a very happy customer. Another console saved. What do you think about the new PlayStation 5 Slim? Drop a comment below, I'd love to see your thoughts. And if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe, hit like, and tap the bell for more content. Thanks for watching, and have a great day, evening or morning, wherever you are. See you next time.